Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Simadri. I am from Shiv Intishwar College of Engineer. Today my topic is solar cells. Content: Introduction of a solar cells, principle of a solar cells, constructions of a solar cells, working principles of a solar cells, types of the solar cells, generation of a solar cells, advantages and disadvantages of a solar cells, applications of a solar cells. We can move in the topic. Introduction: The solar cells is a photoelectric device. It converts the light energy into electric energy. We can see that will observe the sunlight and it will it will move into electric energy. The device works on a principle of a photoelectricity effect. Photoelectricity device is a generation of a voltage of a across a PN junction and a simulated semiconductor due to the absorption of a light radiations called as a photoelectric effect. The device based on a affected is called as a photoactive device. Principle of a solar cells. The solar cells are based on principle of a photoactive effect. The photoactive effect is a photo generation of a charge carries on a light observing a material as a result of a light radiations. N type and P type. It is a single solar cells. We can see in this construction of a solar cells. Solar cells contains the N-type semiconductor layer and P-type semiconductor layers. There are two types of a layers, and standard wise hence there is a formation of a P minus N junctions. The surface of anti-reflection coated coating to avoid the loss of accident and light energy due to reflection. The proper metal con- contents are made of a N type and a P type of a semiconductor electrical connections. Working of a solar cells. Working: when a solar panels are exposed to a sunlight, the light energy is absorbed by a semiconductor material. Due to absorbed, the energy of electrons are liberated, produced the external DC DC current. The DC current is converted into a 440 volt AC current using the inventors of a different applications. We can see in this picture the sun is solar is observing the sunlight. The types of a solar cells. The based on a solar types of a solar cells is classified as a the monoaccelerated solution cells are produced by a pure silicon. Since the pure silicon is a defected free and efficiency of a cell well higher. The liquidity of a silicon used as a raw material of a silicon as obtained by a followed the solid efficiency process. The material contains the various contained size, hence the efficiency of this type is called cells are less than neutral cells. Silicon is obtained by depositing silicon film on a substrate like a glass plate. The layer of a thickness of amount to less than 1 meter to thickness of a human hair of a 50 to 100. The efficiency of a Arpos cells are much lower than other two cells types. The result there is used to mainly low power equipment such as which and pocket collector or a base elements. Comparison of a types of a solar cells, material and efficiency. We can see there are three types. One is 7 to 14, 14 to 17%, 13 to 15%, 5 to 7% efficiency control. In generation of a solar cells, first generation of a single junction is silicon cells. Limit efficiency is 31%. Single satellite silicons is a 16 to 19% efficiency. Multi on is a 14 to 15% efficiency. Best efficiency by a sun power is 22%. So 87.4% in 2007 production. 45.2 is a single SI. 42 point multi silicon average efficiency. Second generation thin film cells. A new material are a process to improve efficiency and reduce the cost. The thin film cells use about 1% of the efficiency semiconductor compared to a first generation cells. A single kit is SI 4.7% and multi-trick SI is 0.5% of 2007 production. A single SI is has a 8.8 is to 11% of efficiency. Multi-trick SI has a 17 to 11% efficiency. We can see in these pictures. The third generation multi-junction cells poor electrical performance of while maintaining the very low production cost. Current research of efficiency conversion of efficiency is 60 to 30% while retaining the low cost of a material efficiency techniques. The multi cells 30% of efficiency and advantages of a solar cells. It is a clean and non-pollution. It is a renewable energy. Solar cells do not produce the noise and they they are totally silent. They require a little maintenance. They have long lifetime. There is no fuel or fuel supply problem. Disadvantages of a solar cell. Solar cells are very expensive. Energy has not is stored by batteries. Air pollution of air pollution and weather can be affected by a production electricity. They need a large and land space, more efficient power supply. Sun does not shine constantly. Less efficient and cost equipment. Reliability depends on a locations. Applications of a solar cell demonstrate of a power supply, electric power generation space, drying agricultural products, solar pumps and used by water supply, water heating, generating electrical power, to providing electrical power to satellite.